Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 4 tablespoon butter and 4 tablespoon all-purpose flour for a standard single-batch roux. Melt the butter over medium-low heat so it foams but does not brown. This prevents a nutty flavor that will overwhelm mac and cheese. Add the flour and whisk constantly until it forms a pale paste, scraping the pan to incorporate any flour pockets. Cook the mixture for about 2 minutes while whisking to eliminate the raw flour taste, while preserving a blonde, slightly thickened base. Once the roux is blonde and smooth, temper it by adding 2 cups of warm milk a little at a time while whisking vigorously. Adding liquid gradually prevents lumps and lets the starch hydrate evenly so the sauce becomes silky. After all the milk is incorporated, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly. Within about 4 to 6 minutes, it will thicken enough to coat the back of a spoon. If any small lumps appear, whisk faster or pass the sauce through a fine mesh strainer to restore a smooth texture. Take the thickened bechamel off the heat before adding cheese so it melts without separating. Then stir in 2 cups shredded cheese slowly until fully incorporated. Use a combination like 1 cup sharp cheddar and 1 cup Gruyere or Monterey Jack for a balance of flavor and meltability. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg or 1/4 teaspoon mustard powder to brighten the flavor. If the sauce is too thick, whisk in up to 1/.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.